again new sketch it. Okay, which one? So stack with the grid. Next, which one? Pick an operation. Okay, first design one line, single one. Again, currently single one, single with open, single with flat, single with circular. First close this one, select single with open means open format, flat connection, select the component, specify thickness value 10, again offset is 5. Okay, next one,
thickness 10 offset 5 ante
just second, again apply the circular connection, select this one. Now thickness is nothing but the total distance between the existing new lines. Okay, now thickness 20, thickness equal to 20. Again offset in this direction. Offset means from this line, the distance between the new line.
okay.
Now offset equal to 10. Enter. Again see here. Okay. This total value is the
20.
This total is the 20. Again with respect to this side is the offset distance. Again that value is the 10. Again you can see it. Again taken flat connection. Circular connection. Again this time thickness equal to 10. Now this is the arrow direction represent positive direction. Now I am going to enter the offset value in positive value. This is the direction. Again I am going to enter negative side, negative value. Again this is the negative direction.
Okay.
Now I am going to enter minus 3. Okay, total thickness is the 10. Again this 10, my offset is minus 3. So now this is the minus 3. Again this is the 7. Okay. And any more? Then next one is the dimensional tools. Okay, dimensional. Again you can see what is the use of the dimensions. Now I am going to design one rectangle. Again I am going to design one circle. Just you can apply the escape. Again these are the automatic dimension. Again next my requirement is, again you can find out, again I am going to design one more line here. Again you can find out the distance between this line to this circular center point by using normal option. Again you can create the extra dimension. Again the dimension are classified into two types, weak dimensions and strong dimensions. Weak and strong. The automatic dimensions are known as a weak dimensions.
Okay.
Weak dimension. Again you can select, again double click, again you can change this to 30 or any value, or you can enter same value also. Again the dimension convert to strong dimension. Again you can see the color, blue color. Again this is the another color. Weak dimension representation color. Again this is the strong dimension representing color. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Again I am going to use the normal option. By using normal option you can create the extra dimension as per the requirement. Again select the normal. Again my requirement is this line to this point. Okay. Again you can change this one also, 60. Again changing here. Okay. Now see here. Now already the line dimension existing here. Again what is the length? 30. Again you can apply the dimension for this one. What happened? Over constraint.
Okay.
Again you can specify dimensions of the already existing dimension. You can specify dimensions of the already existing design. What happened? Again see here the highlighted 2-dimension conflict. That means over constraint. Again you can delete any one of them. Okay. Then you can change the value. That is the over constraint dialog box. That is about the normal option. Not only that one. Again you can specify angle also. Again I am going to design one line. Now my requirement is, again you can find out angle between this line to this line. Again select the normal option, this one. Again you can select this one. Just you can press the scroller button. Okay. Again select the normal. Again select this one and this one. Enter. What happened? Over constraint. Why means what type of angles?
Alternate angle.
Okay. Again delete any one of them. Okay, as per the required. That is about the normal option. Again you can see next one is the first you can see perimeter dimension. Again by using this one you can create a perimeter dimension. Okay. What is the circle perimeter formula? 2 pi r. Okay. Again I am going to design one circle. Now the dimension changes to 10. Now this is nothing but diameter. So pi d. Pi equal to 3.14. Again directly you can select the perimeter, select the geometry. Okay. Then again you can select the dimension. Okay, 31.4. Okay, perimeter. Again in the same fashion, rectangle also. Again you can design one rectangle. Again same thing, select the perimeter, this one, see here. Okay, 12 plus 2. That is about the perimeter dimension. Next one. Now next one is the baseline dimension. Baseline dimension. Nothing but you can create a ordinate dimension. You can create ordinate dimension. Again ordinate dimension means with respect to one side values. Again all the dimension with respect to single base point. Now I am going to design one design here. Okay. Okay. Now first you can apply the baseline. Now I am going to select this point. Again you can apply either vertical or horizontal. Now I am going to select the horizontal. Accept. Again select the normal option. Again this dimension. Again with respect to this line. Again select this one. Again you can select this one. Again same thing. Select the dimension. Again select this. Again all are the what values? Ordinate values with respect to one side. With respect to base point. Now again you can select the baseline. Again you can select this one. Again this time you can apply the vertical. Accept. Again select the normal option. Select this one. Again this one. Okay. Again select this one. Next line. Again what happened here? Over constraint here. Over constraint. Again delete any one of them. Again normal. Select this line. Not selected. Okay. That is about the baseline dimension. Then next one is the next one is the reference dimension. Next one is the reference dimension. Now see here, just I am going to apply the reference. Select this one. Now my reference from this line to this line. Now this is the reference. Again you can change any value. Okay. Now we can change any value with respect to this dimension 40. What is the current reference? 32. Again I am going to change this to 40. What happened? Again you can change the total value, total dimension also. Again you can represent reference here. That is about the dimensional options. That is about the dimensional options. Okay. Now next one. Just wait for some time for inspection. Okay. Again these are related to 3D. These are related to 3D. Okay. Now you can see the some inspection tools will be present here. Intersection point, tangency point, and entity. First we will discuss these three. Okay. Just write down up to this one. Now this is the different types of cutting. Again this is the just I am going to this one. Again I am going to set entire design into screen fit. Just you can apply this one, fit, refit. The entire design setting into screen. Again this is the zoom in, zoom out, same thing, roller button shortcut. Again you can see these are related to 3D, different types of visual style purpose. Again this is the grid settings. Again currently select all is the enable condition. Now my representation only, just I am going to deactivate the display. Again I am going to also, again we can disable the dimensions. Again you can see L1, horizontal, vertical, all are the constant properties. Again dehighlight this one. Again you can see these are the vertices. Okay, again dehighlight this one also. All the settings here. Again same thing, select all. Okay. Again for showing purpose, viewing purpose, you can operate this. Okay. This one.
Display constraint.
Display constraint is nothing but properties. Just wait. Display constraint. Again you can see symbols, horizontal, vertical, everything, every property symbol here. Display constraint. Again see here L1, L1, same line, same property, equal property. Okay. Horizontal, vertical, L2. That means this line is equal option. L2, L2. Okay. Again display the constraint. Okay, that is about this one. Now see here, again you can change this setting also. Just you can right click, just you can change the location of this toolbar also.
Okay.
Again some of the systems have in this direction, some of them bottom direction have. Again right click, again location. Currently location show on the top,
Top.
show on the right. Okay, again same thing, right click, location, show on the top. Again you can increase the size also, large size. Okay, size small. Okay, again you can see all are the active condition here. Reset it to default. Reset to default means all are the active condition.
Okay.
Okay, same thing, size, location and everything. Same tools present in the view toolbar. Again this is the shortcut representation of the icon format of the view toolbar.
YouTube.
Again you can open the view toolbar. Again you can see here refit, zoom in and zoom out, pan operation. Again previous view related to 3D. Okay, again same constraints, display dimensions, see here. Okay, display grid, display constraint, display vertices. Again 3D related. Again you can see active, close and windows. Again currently how many windows? Only one opening, only one page. Again see here sketch, again open, one more one. Okay, and again file, new, sketch, open, again file, new, sketcher. Okay, then you can see here again go to same thing operation, new operation, open, save. Again this is the undo, redo. Again this is the close operation. Again this is the sketching tools. Okay, same toolbar will be present here. Again this is the windows.
Okay, 4 windows.
4 windows. Again see here, directly I am going to open the view toolbar. Directly I am going to open the view toolbar. Again same windows. Again which one is the currently enabled condition? Which page is the currently enabled condition? 4th one, that is the highlight condition. Again I am going to close. Now first one is the active condition. Okay, again view toolbar. Again I am going to activate. Again I am going to select. Directly you can activate in this format or otherwise view toolbar. Okay, again select. Again you can open this one or otherwise directly you can apply the again see here, again you can apply the active option here. Again you can apply active, page will be active condition. Okay, that is the view toolbar. Again you can see the tools. Again just wait for relations and everything, all are related to 3D. Okay, again same switching symbols. Again same Creo software also used for ECAD people also for Harans design.
Okay.
హారన్స్ డిజైన్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళు కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తుంటారు. స్విచ్చింగ్ సింబల్స్ మొత్తం యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద అనాలిసిస్ టూల్స్, మెజరింగ్ టూల్స్. అగైన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు 3D. I will explain in 3D this one. Again this is the overlapping geometry, highlight, open ends, shaded closed loop related to 3D. Again insertion point, tangency point, entity. Again same thing will be present here. Okay, that is about the sketch, analysis tools and view. Again see here, now this is the, now see the close option. Again this is the close. Now currently how many pages? 4 pages. Now I am going to close this page. Close, closing. Again next one, select this one. No, you can press this one. Okay, again close this one. Again second one, close. All are close condition. Currently only one page. Again you can see, now again I am going to close this one also. Close this one. Again you can see the settings here for new file purpose. Again this is the open. Again this is the dehighlight condition, open, last session, last saving file. Now select working directory. Nothing but you can specify your working directory. That means just you can apply the control save, control S, sorry, control S. Control S is the save. Again you can apply OK option directly. You cannot specify the path. You cannot specify the path. Direct you can apply control S. The file, the saving file goes to your directory, working directory. Which location? Laptop, C drive, users folder, public folder, in public documents. The file directly save into your working directory. Or otherwise you can directly choose the folder also, anything. Next, erase not displayed. Erase not displayed. Again you can check your pages. Again you can check your
Okay.
what are the pages under close condition. What are the pages under close condition? How many pages? Total 4 pages under close condition. Okay, just okay. Again you can also erase that one. Again modal display properties. Modal display properties. Again see here. All are the default settings. Okay. So surface much, show datums and everything will be setting condition. Again I am going to change sheet metal settings, assembly settings. All are the active condition. All tools are the active condition. Again while reselecting differences during placement, keep constraint type. Okay. Keep constraint mean in assembly design you can use the constraints. By using constraint you can assemble the components.
Okay.
Again that is the setting here. Okay. Customize the ribbon bar. Nothing but all are the different types of tools. Okay. Again you can always set restore default settings. All will be under setting condition. Okay. Just for checking purpose, where all the tools present in the icon format. Again licensing purpose. Okay. Active condition currently. Windows settings. Quick access toolbar. Again I am going to use sketcher settings. Again show here. Show vertices is the currently you can see the sketcher. Sketcher show vertices is the highlight condition. Show constraint is the highlight condition. Show dimension is the highlight condition. Show weak dimension is the highlight condition. Again line up to horizontal property symbols.
Okay.
Everything under highlight condition. Again all the settings will be present in the model display. Again you can see the system colors. Again currently default color. Again I am going to specify dark background. Just okay. System color. Again you can change the system color here. Okay. Again you can design anything. Again how to change this one? System colors. Again select the color scheme. Again set to default.
Okay.
Again see all are the different types of color representation. Again I am going to open the sketcher. Again you can see the weak dimension color.
Okay.
Again strong dimension color. Everything will be under default condition. Okay. Again change చేయదు ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు డిఫాల్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు స్టాండర్డ్గా. ఓకేనా జస్ట్ ఓకే ఆర్ క్లోజ్. దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ ద ఫైల్స్. ఓకే జస్ట్ వై సిస్టమ్ కలర్స్ చేంజెస్. అగైన్ యూ కెన్ సెట్ ద డిఫాల్ట్. ఓకే దెన్ ప్లే ట్రయల్ ఫైల్. అగైన్ యూ కెన్ ప్లే ఎనీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లే ఫైల్ ట్రయల్ ఫైల్.
Okay.
I will explain later this one also. Again we have some file here. Again different types of files ఉంటాయి.
అంటే
వేరే సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో చేసినవి కానీ ఆ ఫైల్ని ఇక్కడ ప్లే చేయొచ్చు. వీడియో ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ న్యూ స్కెచర్. ఓకే ఆల్ ద టూల్స్. అగైన్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ టూల్ బార్, insertion point, tangency point, entity. Now I am going to design two lines here. Now I am going to find out the intersection properties in a list format. Now inspect, inspection point, select the first line and okay, see here information about the angle of slope on red entity. Now this is the what is the slope with respect to horizontal? 135 degrees.
Okay.
Again angle of slope in blue entity. What is the angle with respect to horizontal? This is the 30 degrees. That is the intersection property. Again curvature on red entity is the 0. Again curvature on blue entity is the 0. That is mean those are the straight lines. That means no radius of curvature. Okay. All the properties. Again all the information about the geometry. Again this is what type of geometry purpose? Intersection geometry purpose. Okay. Then next one tangent properties. Again design one circle. Again I am going to design one line tangent. Again I am going to find out the tangent properties. Tangency point. Okay, see here angle of tangency 50.53 degrees. Nothing but angle of tangency is nothing but with respect to horizontal. Now this is the angle point. What is the tangency? 53. And then again radius of red entity is the line. No curvature. Again curvature on blue entity 0.47. Okay. Now next one. What is the next property? Entity. Again you can find out the entity properties. Now I am going to design one circle. Okay. Again select the entity. Entity is nothing but on geometry. Again see here entity ID is the 0, again entity type is the circle, radius of entity 2.86, again length of entity, length is nothing but perimeter, perimeter. That is about the 17.95 plus. Okay. Okay, that is about the inspection points. Again see here, these are the balance. Again this is the overlapping. Now this is the shaded closed loop. Again this one is the open ends. Again this is the overlapping geometry. Again this is related to 3D point. This is related to 3D. Okay. Now first okay. Again you can choose any point. Now you can choose any point. Now we can find out the simple designing point. From that onwards you can design the remaining one. Now first I am going to design two lines, one horizontal construction line and next one is the one vertical construction line. Now first I am going to design the circles. First I am going to design one circle. Total number of circles how many? Concentric. Directly you can design all circles. 3. Again we can change the dimensions. Again what is the dimension?
94.
Okay. Now you can change any one. No problem. 94. Next one is the 54. Next one is the 74. 94, 54. Now designing of circles is over. Next again you can design small circles. Again you can design the small circles. Okay. Again what is the dimensions?
10.
Again 6 holes, 12 dia. 6 holes, 12 dia. 6 holes, 12 dia. Now first you can design one location. Now this is my, in this location first I am going to design one circle. Now select the circle option. Now select this is my circle location. How much?
12 diameter.
Changes to 12 diameter. Again total number of circles equal to how many?
6.
Total equal to 6. Again total complete 360 direction. So 360 direction. First you can design one reference line here. Now design one line in this direction. Again what is the angle?
60.
With respect to
30,
vertical is the 30. With respect to vertical is 30. Again you can design one more circle in this location. Again you can see RR represent same radius. Then again same thing present in the left side. Okay. Select these these two circles. Again for multiple selection purpose you can activate the
Control.
okay.
Mirror.
Apply the mirror with respect to this center line. Again same thing, these two bottom side. Again select this one and this one. No problem. Okay. Then you can delete this line. Okay. Delete. Just
Okay,
select the
select
line,
it,
delete. Just see here. Select the line, delete. Again Control Z. Now this portion is over. Next we can design the bottom one. Now we can design the bottom one here. Now directly you can design by using circles option and arcs option, or directly you can use the palette. Now go to shapes. Again you can see the arc. Okay na? Or otherwise now you can see the another procedure. Then you can select the
Line.
first you can design, just I am going to design one circle. How much? 100 radius. 100 means 200. Now this is the general procedure, any software. Now next I am going to design two lines. Now angle equal to 30 degrees. I can see here normal, this one to this one is the 30. Okay. I am going to design one line through this point. This point is nothing but 30. Why means all are the 60 direction. Okay. Or otherwise you can change the angle also. Now again you can apply the mirror operation. This one mirror with respect to this one. Then you can delete segment. Just you can delete this one and this one. Okay. Now again you can delete this reference also. Just only reference purpose. These are the 30 degrees lines only. Reference purpose. Just delete this one. Delete. Again you can delete this one also. Our requirement is only this all. Then after that I am going to apply the directly I am going to design thicken operation.
Okay.
Thicken select this one. Again you can select single with circular connection. Again select this one. Again what is the total thickness? Now first you can design outer one. Outer one radius equal to how much? 23.
23.
Now you can specify 23.
11.5.
No. First
Easy,
thickness
thickness,
23.
yeah.
Enter. Now 23 by 12.
11.5.
Directly you can enter expression 23 divided by 2. Okay. Then next again you can design the sorry that is the 23 radius. Now this is the 23 radius.
Okay.
23 radius, that means this center point to this one is the 23, so total equal to 46. Total is the
Okay.
46. Control Z. Again thicken, circular connection, select this one, 46. Again offset value 23. Now is it okay? Next you can design one more one, same thing. Now this time
24.
24, offset
12.
12. Now this is the simple procedure. Now we have one more procedure. Directly you can select the lines. Now this is the first point. Again you can choose the next point. Okay. Again what is the gap? This is the total is the 36. Half of the value 80.
Mirror.
Then first you can apply the delete segment. Just delete this one. Select this one. Okay. Then next one, again you can apply the mirror operation. Select this one, mirror with respect to center line. Then again you can see here, now this one is the
Curvature. Then
again fillet round value curvature. Again this is the 9 radius. Again this is the
10 radius.
10, that means 9. This is the 10. Again you can select the fillet. Again I am going to select the circular. Now select this one to this one. Okay. Again what is the radius value? 9. Just changes to 9. Again what happened here? Just see here what happened. Is there any changing? Just wait. Now 9, enter. Again what happened?
Curvature.
Again see here. Again what happened here? Not deleting. Just wait. That means the dimensions are intersecting here. Okay. The dimensions are intersecting. No problem. Just delete this one. Okay. Again you can apply the offset. Again already designed. Just wait. Again you can design the line, vertical line. The value changes to 18. Then next one, apply the fillet. Select this one to this one. Again you can change the radius value 9. Again what happened? Again double click. Change this one. Again what happened here? No changing. Again you can see. Again sometimes the values cannot to be changes here. Why means the dimensions are intersecting here, overlapping. Again this dimension relation with respect to tangents here. Okay. For that purpose the dimension cannot to be changes here. Again just wait. Now first you can apply the delete segment for extra lines. Okay. Again this one also. Now see here. Now I am going to delete this line. Again you can apply the offset. This center one. How much? -23. Okay. Again apply the fillet. This one to this one. How much value?
10.
This one changes to 10. Again what happened here again? Entire one is changed. That is nothing but relation. Again all are the problems while designing in the